Alright, boys and girls, welcome to video lesson 1-6, our very last video lesson in chapter 6, our lesson on polygons and plane figures. Please make sure you have your note packet open in front of you while you're watching this video. Here we go. Let's talk about polygons. What is a polygon? A polygon is a simple, closed, plane figure made up of line segments. In other words, to be a polygon, you must be able to draw. It must be able to be put on a plane. It's a two-dimensional figure. The fact that it's simple means it has no lines that cross on the inside. Okay? The fact that it's closed means it's not open. There is no opening in the polygon. Once you're inside, you're locked inside. And the fact that it's made up of line segments means there are no curves. No curves. Okay? There's two parts to a polygon. There are the sides. So we have the sides. This has looks like 7 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there are vertices, the points of the polygon, and there's always going to be the same number of vertices as there are sides. Okay, so as we look here, this polygon is polygon A, B, C, D, E, F, G. In other words, when you name a polygon, you just start at one of the points and you go around. So this is polygon A, and I'm going right around now. B, C, D, E, F, G. I could not name this polygon A, C, D, E, B, F, G. That wouldn't work. You always go in order. However, I could start anywhere. I could name this exact same polygon if I wanted to. F, E, D, C, B, A, G. So you just start at any point and go around in either direction. Okay? Polygons can be convex or they can be concave. A concave polygon means that all of the interior angles are going to be less than 180. A concave polygon means some of the interior angles, at least one, will be reflexive. You can see that these two angles here are going to be reflexive, as with these two right here. Okay, they are bigger than 180. Also, you can look, if you extend the sides in a convex polygon, sometimes those sides will intersect in the middle of the polygon, where in this case, these sides never pass through the inside of our polygon. Okay? A polygon can be regular or irregular. A regular polygon has all equal sides and all equal angles. And we know that the equal word in geometry is congruent. So a regular polygon has both equal sides, it's equilateral, and it has equal angles, which means it's equiangular. Okay? The other non-regular polygons are, of course, called irregular. We also need to know that we need to be able to name polygons by their number of sides. In other words, I want you to know that a 3-sided polygon is called a triangle. A 4-sided polygon is called a quadrilateral. An 8-sided polygon is called an octagon. I do want you to know that a 12-sided polygon is called a dodecagon. For everything else, you can call an n-sided polygon an entagon. In other words, if I have a 20-sided polygon, I can call that, if I want to, a 20-agon. A 35-sided polygon would be a 35-agon, etc. All right. We got a game. This game is called Polygon or Not. You're just going to say yes or no. And we will expand upon this game in class, I promise. Here we go. Number one, yes or no. Shout it out. Follow your mom and dad. Yes. Very good. No. Why is it not a polygon? We'll talk about that. Yes. No. Why is it not a polygon? We'll talk about that. No, it's not a polygon. However, this one in just red, that red thing is a polygon. Okay, let me slide this down so you guys can see it. Given a rectangle with sides 2.5 centimeters and 8 centimeters long, find the rectangle's area. You guys know the area of a rectangle is length times width. Okay? And we also know that the perimeter of the rectangle is all the way around. We know that opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So the area of the rectangle is going to be 8.6 times 2.5. And the perimeter of the rectangle is going to be 2.5 plus 8.6 plus 2.5 plus 8.6. What about your little mini calcs, and let's see what that is. Okay, let's try this one. In triangle HJK, HJ is twice as long as JK, so I'm going to let HJ be twice as long as JK, so I'm going to let that be X and 2X. And again, notice that I have drawn a picture. Okay, if the length of HJ is 15, HJ is 15. Oh, HK is also X. There we go. I know that if this is 15, that means that this guy must be 7.5. So therefore, the perimeter is going to be 15 plus 7.5 plus 7.5, which is 30. Okay, let's switch colors. And let's try the second one. If the length of HJ were 4x, so I'm going to do some erasing. HJ is 4x, and the length of HK is 3x, and the length of JK were 2x, and the perimeter is 63. How long is HJ? Well, now I know that 4x plus 3x plus 2x is equal to 63. Let's do some algebra. 4x plus 3x plus 2x is 9x is equal to 63. Divide by 9, divide by 9. X must be 7. Well, if x is 7, HJ is going to be 4 times 7, which is 28. I think I'm done, but let's make sure. Hey, 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 we're done.